That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Hi, Biddy. You are so handsome.
Bye, Tommy.
Babu.
Apparently I'm not allowed to work today. Attention must be for Merlin and Merlin only.
Do you want to eat? You want to eat?
Bestie vibes only, 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 vibesy best.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay
everyone?
calm.
What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm!
What? Are you mad at me? Is it because I'm going camping? Listen, I'm only going for one night. One night. Did you just lick me? See, he front on the snap, y'all. He does low-key want to lick me. Right? just licked me on my arm, didn't you? Huh? Ow! The fuck?
We got a new kitten, and this is how it was going.
Baby.
He met our dog for the first time today.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching there.
Good. Well then,
Oh my God! I can't believe you.
Her baby's first time on the cat tree, and she is not having it. Pulls wait for the end.
I think my burrito's ready. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Ne diyorsun sen? Öyle mi oldu? Çok çok haklısın.
Bob, it's Saturday. I'm gonna sleep in. You can't sit here and be an alarm clock on Saturdays. No, you cannot take my glasses in rebellion.
Casper, you're too big. You can't play with them yet. No, you're too big and they're too little. I don't think you'd be gentle. You'll have to wait.
She ran up the tree chasing a bird. Now let's see how she gets down. Oh my God, she's even higher. Mark, do you see this? Oh God, that's the end of the limb.
Call the fire department.
Oh no, look at her. What the heck is she doing? She thinks she's a squirrel. Wow, she probably does this all the time. She looks like a pro. Oh, she's going on that one over there.